Here you can see one of the calls that come through as it was called in. Wires were sparking and on fire. Lines went down while on phone with customer. And was actually kind of surprised to see that the fire department wasn't here on my arrival, but like I said, one of the service trucks from the town advised. They called me when they seen it happen as they were going by, so they blocked off the road so the scene was safe. And when he talked to me on the phone, I basically just told him, don't go anywhere near it, keep the road blocked off, and I'll be there in a few minutes. So we just had a span of secondary wire, secondary being low voltage, only 120 volts, but it was, I'm not sure what started it, maybe the wind. The wire started galloping a bit, made contact with a neutral wire, made quite an arc. One of the members of the town was here and seen the arc, and once the arc started, the phases started slapping. You'll see videos on YouTube where the phases are slapping, there's a big flash, and he said it was the craziest light show he ever seen. I guess the wire was just burning all over the place, sparks going. Anyways, I got none of that stuff to show you, but the aftermath, it's pretty wild. I'll show you what I rolled up to here. So this wire is all dead now, obviously. So you can see that little tail sticking up, that's where the wire burnt off, and that entire span landed on the ground. But here's the impressive part. So you see here, that's actually a strand of wire, and the entire street is littered with these burnt strands of aluminum that come flying off the lines. I've actually never seen anything like it before. Now the wire itself, this is the wire here, and the entire span of wire has got burn marks. See the shiny spot? She's got burn marks every few inches or so. Get a better look down this way. Now just to remind you guys that this wire is dead right now. So we're going to be replacing that entire span of wire, obviously. You can see some spots got damaged quite bad as it was arcing. Now that, you can only imagine the sparks. You see like I said, the burn marks every few inches. There were several passers-by that called in to report fire flying off the wires. And that's where she landed, so we got a crew on their way here now, and some flaggers. We got some barricades on the street here now, so won't be too bad of a fix. We'll get a brand new piece of ACSR number 2. Run a whole brand new span. And yeah, so pretty wild stuff. Alright, so we're up in the air here now. This is the neutral wire. You can see where it was hitting against that bare pilot wire. And that whole span of neutral wire has burn marks as well. So we get some traffic control on the way. Get another crew coming, some flaggers, and we're gonna get the stuff all fixed up.